Hi, everybody. So today is June 22nd, 2026. I made the shortcut series in June of 2024, okay? And everything was working beautifully until September, October 2025, when Goodnotes released an update, probably to the 7.0. And all of a sudden, you were not able to add links to your Goodnotes documents, like using this process. And I had reached out to them and they said that they were working on it. And that was in 9 months ago, but I'm happy to report it's finally fixed. However, it's a different process. So I'm going to take you through the process. I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can do it. And then I'm going to go into troubleshooting for the future because many of us, it still worked. And I'm going to explain why. So first of all, you are going to want to make sure that you are updated to Goodnotes 7.0.66. And then, close Goodnotes and then reopen it, and then you should be good to go. Okay. So in the original video, what I showed you was you would just hard press and add link. And then you would go into link settings. Okay. This does not work anymore. You would paste your link in here. That was the original video. That does not work anymore. Okay. So what you're going to do, all right, you are going to either, you have already built whatever shortcut tutorial we've gone through. In the comment section, you can copy and paste the link from there, or you can copy and paste the link in, from the website that I give you. Okay. Now my links are different than your links. So I'm just going to, because I don't touch the masters for the, for you guys. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to, whoopsies. No. I'm going to copy this like that. Okay. So now you have your link copied. You're going to come into your Goodnotes template, document, whatever. You're going to go to the text tool. All right. And you're going to tap on your page and make sure that this toolbar pops up. Then you're going to press on the paste button. The minute you do that, you have been linked. Okay. And it says open link, copy link, link settings, link content. All right. So your link works. Let's look at it just for fun. So when you click open link, it'll ask you external link. Yes, you do want to run it. Here it goes. It's running it. There you go. Okay. Because I did add event. That was the link I chose. Okay. Now, this is a lot. So what do you want to do? Here, this is what you want to do. Again, you're going to go into your text tool. You're going to tap on it just to activate this little pop-up. You're going to select edit link content. You're going to delete all of this. Okay. So you're going to have nothing. You're going to go to your emoji screen. Give it whatever you want. Okay. I'm just going to give it a black dot for right now. And then click enter or return. Okay. You have to do that because it won't change until you click return. Okay. So now I clicked return. All right. So now let's see. All right. So now you have your linked emoji, and I'll ask you, do you want to, if you tap on it, you can run it and test it if you want. I don't need to test it again because we know it works. Okay. So from this point, it's up to you. I have this in all of my videos where, you can keep it as it is, or you can take an image and you can put it over. I provide the images on my website. You can put that over, and then you can take this link and you can put it wherever you want. We'll put it in my planner. Okay. I've copied the whole thing. Whoops. Oh my God. My hands today. Go over. Oh, that's right. I'm not there. I started a new planner. You can paste it wherever you want. And then you can see it works. Here we go. And there you go. Now, there is another way to do it. I'm going to show you. Let's get rid of this. All right. So now, if you're like me, my my natural inclination when I copy something is to just paste it with the text tool, right? I just do that all the time. If you take your link, so let's go back here. All right. We're going to copy it again, just make, copy. So if your natural inclination is to just, do this, click paste, look what happens. Nothing happens. No link pops up. Okay. Don't freak out. It's okay. I promise. All right. So all you're going to do is when you do that, all right, you're just going to just keep it there. It's totally fine. Okay. Just click return, and you can click return again to give yourself some space, and now click paste. And when you click paste the second time, you'll see that it comes up, and now you can just delete that one that you didn't have the link, and then, you can just follow the process. And the only reason I say this is because I would not think to take my text tool and then click paste. I would just hard press and click paste. So if you do that, remember, you need to paste. And then you can delete, the original unlinked one. And then you can move forward. So, all right. Yay, it's working. But this is what I want to tell you. This is very important, okay? And I do mention this in a lot of my videos. Do you see this part here before we've added an emoji and added, an image? This whole linked sentence. Would you save it? Please save it. Save it. So like when I first created this series in 2024, I said to just, take a template and create a nice, place where you have all of your links wrote out. You have them already linked. You've put your images or however you want them to look, and you have a wonderful, collection ready to go. So you can just copy and paste them wherever you need them. Because I did this, and for all the people that did this way back when the bug hit in September 2025, all our links worked that we had already made. Okay. Because they were already made, they worked, and it was awesome. And I didn't actually know until somebody pointed it out to me. They said, I got a message and they said, hey, it's not working. And I tested mine. I'm like, all my links work. Like, what are you talking about? Like, and then I had to figure it out, like, oh gosh, it's for moving forward. So please, please, please save your links, make it, and then create a template and just save everything. And I even have a template for you free on my site that I put up there. It's like way at the bottom of the main overview page, I believe. So that is the one thing I want to tell you. And then the second thing I want to tell you, and this is moving forward, okay? So like I have down here, this is part 18. This is add to doc. So when I tap this, I have, what do I want to do? Add a calendar event, add a reminder, view events, review reminders. Okay, I have this wherever I am on my iPad. If I'm in my work notes, if I'm in my planner, if I'm in my grocery list, it doesn't matter. It's everywhere I am. So because this is, the add to docs are not reliant on Goodnotes, if a bug happens in the future, this will not impact you, okay? Unless, Goodnotes goes away or something, but this won't impact you. So I highly recommend that. I think it's the most efficient way to use all of these shortcuts and to build your perfect, system. But I do know a lot of people do like to get it into their planners. I do, in notebooks or whatever. But just keep that in mind for future, that this part 18 add to doc is always, it's a great resource, okay? The last thing I want to share, and this is important, is that on the overview page, where I have all, let's just go there. I haven't updated yet because obviously I have to make the video first, but on this main page, right, I have all sorts of information. And again, I haven't updated it, But when things, happen, I write updates, okay? Please, please, please read and look. I will put videos in there. I will put updates in there. I write when they're resolved. I take them away, obviously, if it's resolved. But this is your one-stop resource, okay? So please, if you're having issues, please go there first. And then obviously I'm always here. If you need me, you can ask a question and I'm always happy to help. But yeah, a lot of things are out of my control. Like if Goodnotes or Apple or whatever has a glitch, like I can't do anything, but I can at least let you know that it's not working for everybody. Okay. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope you have fun putting things, making your life more efficient and more joyful. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.